Hello everyone. Are you wondering what sex repulsed means? Let's explore. Sex repulsed is a term used to describe asexual individuals who are repulsed by the idea of sex. For these individuals, the thought of engaging in sexual activities is not just unappealing but actively off-putting. This term is part of the broader asexual spectrum, where people experience varying degrees of sexual attraction and desire. While some asexual individuals might be indifferent to sex or engage in it for the sake of a partner, those who are sex repulsed tend to avoid sexual activities altogether because they find them uncomfortable or distressing. In essence, being sex repulsed is about having a strong aversion to sexual activities, aligning with asexuality but with a specific focus on the negative reaction to sex. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.